Now, in the past, I've made you onion relishes, capsicum, even tomato relishes, but I've never made you banana relish. It sounds a little strange to use bananas in a relish, but it works really well, and it's a fantastic side to any curry. Now, I've just been sweating off some onion, garlic, and ginger. So this is the base of the relish. To this, I'm going to add some mustard seeds, and we're going to turn the heat up now because I want those seeds just to start to toast and pop. And once the mustard seeds start to pop, we can add some chilli, some cumin seeds, and lots of turmeric. Now we'll just toast off those spices, and then you can add a tomato. Now this is just one tomato, and I've deseeded it because you don't want that moisture of the seeds. We're going to get that from the banana later on. And just let that cook for a moment, just so those tomatoes start to break down. I'm also going to add some coriander. Now, I'm not going to use the leaves. I just want the coriander root because there's so much flavour in that. So this can also go into the pot. So a little bit of the coriander root. I'll cut that in half and then finely chop it. Okay, in that goes. Excellent. Now time for the liquid, a combination of water and white vinegar. Give that a stir, and now we have that acidity in there from the vinegar. We need some sweetness, so some brown sugar, and just give that a stir to dissolve it. And it's time to add the banana. Now I'm using some frozen chunks of banana. These cook down really fast, so a whole packet of the banana can go in. Now, because bananas are so delicate, this won't take that long to cook. It'll take about 15 minutes, and in the last 5 minutes, I'm going to add some desiccated coconut. All right, this banana relish is cooked. You can see how thick it is now because we've added the coconut. And while it's still hot, we can fill some sterilised jars with it. Fill it to the top, and that is one really unique relish. Fantastic for your next curry. Now we need to seal it off, and this will last for 3 months if it's sealed really well in a dry area in your cupboard, or just pop it in the fridge once it's opened.